In this lesson, we'll cover modifying area and path reinforcements. So our model on our screen right now has an area reinforcement and a path reinforcement. Let's look at modify the path reinforcement first. Let's zoom in to the upper portion of the model. Here where my mouse is at, around one of the openings, is a path reinforcement. Go ahead and select it. With the path reinforcement selected, you could use the drag handles to reposition the path, or if I select the path itself, I can use Edit Path on the ribbon. Clicking Edit Path on the ribbon will display the actual path in magenta. I can use the Draw tools to draw a new path, or the Modify tools to modify the existing path. You can also flip the direction of the reinforcement on the inside or the outside of the path. When done, simply green check mark. To look at the properties of the path, select the path, and on the left I can view the properties of this path reinforcement. Here I can look at the face it's tied to, the bar spacing. I can also look at the bar type, changing it from a drop-down list. You can set the bar length, and you can also set your start and end conditions for your hooks, changing them from currently none to 90 or 180 degree, or one of the other elements. Once you make your modifications, simply click Apply. To deselect, just click in the background. Now we also have an area reinforcement at the bottom or in the lower wing. The area reinforcement is indicated by the area reinforcement symbol, and you also can mouse over the edge of the area reinforcement, seeing an X in the middle defining that area. Go ahead and left click on the area reinforcement. Now, similar to the path reinforcement, you have drag handles to resize or change the area reinforcement, or you could click Edit Boundary on the ribbon. If you click Edit Boundary on the ribbon, again, you're displayed the magenta line outlining the boundary. You can use your Draw tools or your Modify tools to modify this boundary. You can also reset the major direction. Click the green check mark to save when updated. To view the properties of this area reinforcement, select the area reinforcement and then look at the property area on the left. Here in the property area, I can set construction rules. I can also look at the actual type of bar that I'm applying, changing it from a drop-down. You can set hooks. I can also set major spacing conditions, and I can look at the actual type of bar in the minor areas as well. You can set bottom bar conditions and bottom hook conditions. When you're done modifying any property elements, click Apply. To deselect, simply click in the background. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at modifying area and path reinforcements. To modify either the path of the path reinforcement or the boundary of the area reinforcement, simply select those and move the drag handles or click Edit from the actual ribbon. To change the properties of the area and path reinforcements, select the path and area reinforcement and then look at the property area on the left. Change any value you want and simply click Apply.